I've never heard that. I heard they like beer. But Canadians really like bad beer.
I thought that was America.
On Canada Day, it's a shit show. No, really, people, they go outside with a Canadian flag on and they poke a hole in the top of it and then they wear underwear and they wear it as a poncho and then everyone just gets hammered, like so hammered. And they puke everywhere. That's what we do, celebrate the fact that we're a country.
Sounds like fun. What are you talking about?
Not until you get puked on. Then the fun's over.
You got puked on?
I got puked on. And I also got my scar on Canada Day.
Oh, tell us this. How did that happen?
I smashed on my longboard.
Were you? Was it because you were trying to get away from people puking on you?
No, it was because there was a fat man that got in my way and it smashed right into him.
Damn fat man. Was he American?
I don't know, probably.
One.
Seriously? Come on.
So that was my fault. The first one was entirely.